Life never stops is a philosophical concept that emphasizes the continuous and dynamic nature of life. It suggests that life is constantly evolving, progressing, and presenting new opportunities, challenges, and experiences. No matter what circumstances or obstacles we face, life keeps moving forward, and change is inevitable. Life is a journey with no fixed destination. It reminds us that we are always in motion, personally and collectively, and that we must adapt, learn, and grow in order to navigate the ever-changing landscape of existence. This concept encourages us to embrace the unpredictability of life and seize the present moment. Time keeps moving forward, and every passing moment is an opportunity for growth and transformation. It urges us to make the most of our time, to set goals, and to take action towards our dreams and aspirations. It reminds us that even when faced with setbacks or failures, we have the capacity to learn from them, adjust our course, and continue moving forward. Please subscribe our channel, like the video and share with others.